Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Amar Naufal. I will present my paper. The title is One Web Service Satpas Sleman as a Public Service Breakthrough During a Pandemic. In introduction, currently we are all faced with the COVID-19 virus, which has spread in various countries, include Indonesia, because the rate of spread of this virus is getting fast and widespread in various countries in the world. Many countries in the world have taken various policy to deal with this virus, and the policy taken by each country have similarities and difference, but in accordance with WHO directive, each country require its people to practice social distancing, or it can also be called physical distancing, namely the behavior of maintaining distance between individuals. In addition, the current COVID-19 pandemic demands change in the public service bureaucracy, and the existence of directive regarding activities to maintain distance or social distance in accordance with WHO directive, and the Indonesian government then respond to the policy through the Minister for Administrative Reform and Bureaucratic Reform, or PANRB, by issuing circular letter number 58 2020 concerning the ASN employee work system in the new normal order. And this condition is a challenge for the Sleman District Policy Agency, especially when people need service, especially the driver license service. And the Sleman District Policy hereby must continue to provide excellent service, but do not rule out health protocol, and at the same time must be able to educate the public. So to answer the challenge during the pandemic, the Sleman Police Satpas have innovation in the driving license service sector, namely the presence of one web service Satpas Sleman, or OWS3. Research question this paper. Number one, what did the police officer do in utilizing OWS3? Number two, what were the difference between OWS3 and offline public service? Number three, how were their opinion about OWS? Um, how were their opinion about OWS3? Literature review. Public service is the provision of both goods and service carried out by the relevant agency. In line with that, according to the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 25 of 2009, confirm that public service are activities or a series of activities in the context of fulfilling service needs in accordance with law and regulation for every citizen and resident of goods, service, and or administrative service provided by public service providers. Manuel, according to Rohman, public service is the provision of service either by the government, the private sector on behalf of the government, or the private sector to the community. In addition, the existence of public service activities must of course pay attention to the applicable SOP. Thus, public service have operating standard that must be considered by public service provider. COVID-19 pandemic. The definition of a pandemic is an event that occurs around the world that is urgent. Pandemics are often associated with disease outbreak that affect the whole world. The World Health Organization define COVID-19 as an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered type of coronavirus. Yuryanto Ahmad stated that COVID-19 had signs and symptoms of acute respiratory system disorder such as cough, shortness of breath, fever with an average incubation period of 5 to 9 days, and the longest incubation period of 40 days. Research methods. The purpose of this study is to get a clear picture of public service using electronic-based media carried out by the Sleman Regency Satpas. So, the author decided to use a qualitative approach in this study. The participant in the study were the traffic police at the Sleman Police Station. Result and discussion. Point 1, background for the formation of OWS3 is the COVID-19 pandemic. So, to minimize the spread of COVID-19, the Sleman Satpas have innovation in the field of driving line service using the online method. Point 2, the difference between OWS3 and offline driving license service is in the method. OWS3 use online media so that applicants don't have to come in person. Point 3, the presence of an online-based driving license service, or known as OWS3 in Sleman Regency, is a good step from the Sleman police officers, because OWS3 is present in the midst of chaos due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which is now engulfing almost all regions of Indonesia. The last conclusion: the police are inseparable in provide public service to the community. The Sleman Satpas through OWS3 provide novelty in the field of public service during the COVID-19 pandemic. This is also a strategic step in responding to challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic, especially in the practice of providing public service. In addition, the presence of OWS3 is expected to be able to break the chain of the spread of COVID-19, because the service is in the form of online. Cukup sekian. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.